So today I'm talking about finding balance within yourself. As a society, what I've observed is we have roles for everything, right? If you're female, you have to do female things. If you're male, you have to do male things. But I do believe that within us as an individual, you have a balance of having the ability to do both. You don't have to stick to one thing, because like on the female side, it's mostly more compassionate, you're the caretaker, you are the more intuitive one, or more spiritual for that matter, and for the guys, they're more, let's go do it. We do the action, the determination, we bring the money home, But we can have a balance in ourselves where we can do both. Being gentle enough to have compassion with everybody, and action oriented enough to be able to provide for yourself without having to wait for anybody else to take care of you. So my encouragement today is develop the other side of you. We all have it in us. For example, a gentleman, maybe you're with your wife and she's going through a hard time and something is telling you, give her a hug. This is a good time. And you're thinking, we don't hug in our culture. We just sit back and look. Well, start practicing. And the inner caring, you will tell you what to do. And for the ladies too, you know it in your heart when the situation is not right and you need to go out there and make a difference. Start a business, help out, bring in your own income. You know it when that time comes. Well, step out. You'll be okay. You have the ability. These abilities are inbuilt. The number one thing first is to be aware that it's possible. Second, take action every time you get that prompting within you.